In this quick video, I'll show you how to create multiple user accounts in Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So adding multiple user accounts in Windows 10 is really easy and it is a very straightforward process. As you can see, I currently have single user account in my computer. I want to add multiple accounts. So for that, simply go to settings in your computer. Once you go to settings, now click on accounts and then on the left panel, go to family and other users, and then we need to tap on add someone else to this PC. Then it will open this window. Here we need to wait for a moment and then click on I don't have this person's sign in information. We need to tap on it. Now we need to create a user. For that you can use your Microsoft account details or you can create a user without a Microsoft account. I don't want to give my Microsoft account details for creating user account. So for that I'll simply click on add a user without a Microsoft account. If you want to create user account using your Microsoft account details, then type your email address here and confirm it by your password. I don't want to use that details. So for that I'll click on add a user without a Microsoft account. Once you tap on it, it will show you this window. Now add a username for your user. I'll type here ABC, and if you want to add any password, then type it here and then re-enter your password. Then click on next. I don't want to add it, so for that I'll leave it as it is and click on next. Now as you can see, I have successfully created a user account in my Windows 10. You can see it in my start menu as well. This is my first account and this is my second account which I just created. And you can also change your account type. If you want to change your account type, then select your second account and click on change account type. Now you can change your account type to standard user or administrator. I don't want to change it, so for that I'll make it standard user and click on OK. Now to sign in that account, we need to go to start menu and then select your account and click on your second account which you just created. Now if I tap on it, then it will show you sign in page, and here provide your password if you set any password for your user account. I didn't add any password for my user, so for that I'll click on sign in, and now as you can see, it has started setup wizard. Now we just need to wait to finish this setup. Once your setup is finished, we just need to click on accept, and there you go. I am currently on my second user. You can see my second user in my start menu as well. ABC is here. Now if you want to sign out from this user and go back to your previous account, then just click on your previous account. Then you will be again on sign in page. Here provide your details and then you will be again on your previous account. So this is the method you can use for creating multiple user accounts in your Windows 10 computer. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.